This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the model and ensuring power. This matters because different Nest units use different reset methods. Once done, open the Google Home app and note Wi-Fi and account details so you can reconnect after the reset. Make sure the Nest remains plugged in during the entire process to avoid bricking. Now locate the physical reset button or touch surface. You're about to trigger the factory reset. The device will erase local settings and return to out-of-box state. You press and hold the reset button firmly. Timing is critical because short presses often enter setup mode versus a long press that triggers factory reset. Once you hear a chime or see the LED pattern change, release the button. That signal confirms the wipe has started. Make sure to wait. The unit will take several minutes to erase data, reinstall firmware, and reboot. While it restarts, don't unplug it. Interrupting during firmware rewrite can leave the device. After reboot, open the Google Home app and add your Nest as a new device. You'll need your Wi-Fi password and Google account login, so have them ready. If pairing fails, reboot your router and phone, move within a few feet of the Nest, and retry. Weak signal often causes failures. If problems persist, perform the factory reset one more time carefully or contact Google support. They can guide firmware recovery steps and help determine if a hardware fault exists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.